Bacon! Bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. That's what we're cooking today in the air fryer. Air fryer, bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. Sounds delicious? It's gonna be. So let me show you how we make these. Check it out. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is you're gonna take your standard Brussels sprout and you're gonna prep it. So if any leaves fall off, you cut the end off. If any leaves fall off, you take them off. Then they're ready just like that. So we discard these. We are going to rinse these. Definitely rinse off your Brussels sprouts, any kind of fruit that you cook or vegetables. Now let's get back to the bacon. So we're going to prep our bacon here. Basically what we're going to do, take one piece of bacon, cut it in half, and then we're going to cut it in half lengthwise. So one piece of bacon is going to be good for 4 Brussels sprouts. Okay, now that we got our bacon all sliced up, we're ready to season our Brussels sprouts. So we're going to take a little bit of olive oil and just coat them decent, not too much. You know, just roll them around a little bit. You just want a coating. And then we're going to use Trader Joe's onion salt. Now, best place to get this, obviously Trader Joe's, because it's like $3.99. You can get it on Amazon, but on Amazon, I think they charge like $6. So definitely if you got a Trader Joe's in your area, go there. The key to making good Brussels sprouts is a lot of seasoning. Did I say a lot? Alrighty, now we're ready to wrap them with bacon. Now that the Brussels sprouts are seasoned, we got our bacon cut. My air fryer, I spray cooking spray at the bottom of it. Some air fryers recommend that you don't spray, so definitely read your instructions beforehand, but mine, you definitely can spray, so we're going to spray it. Basically, you're going to take your Brussels sprout here, and you're going to roll a piece of bacon around it. Look at that. That is going to be delicious. And you want to take where the seam intersects, and you want to put the seam side down in the air fryer. All right, so we got all our Brussels sprouts wrapped. Look at that. Now, you want to single layer these, not double, because they will not cook that great. We want the bacon as crispy as possible, so we're going to get these in at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, we're going to have crispy bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. I'm looking forward to this. We got our bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. We're going to get them into the air fryer. We're going to put our lid on. And now it's ready to program and go. We're cooking these Brussels sprouts in an Instapot Duo Crisp air fryer. This is a multi-function tool here. So we're going to click air fry. We're going to turn our temperature up to 400 and our time, we're only cooking for 15 minutes. Whoops. 15. And then we're going to press start. Air fry away. So 15 minutes, we're going to have some nice, crisp, bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. Okay, so our air fryer bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts just finished. 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Wow, look at those. Nice and crispy. A lot of people would say those look burnt, but those are not burnt. Look at those. Those are nice crispy on the edge. The bacon's crispy. Let's get these out of here and give them a taste. Okay, so these are done cooling. Let's just pick one of these out here. Cut it in half. Ouch. These are still really hot. Wow, take a look at that. Nice and juicy in the middle. Crispy on the outside, just the way we want them. I am going to wait just for another minute to taste this because this is piping hot on my hands and I don't want to burn my mouth. All right, it's cooled down just a little bit, so our bacon wrapped Brussels sprout, let's give this a shot. Oh man. It's still pretty hot. But the flavor is amazing. That onion salt gives it that nice oniony, salty flavor. The bacon, well, it gives it that bacon flavor. Absolutely delicious. These are good. You got an air fryer, 15 minutes cook time. Probably about 15 minutes prep, so 30 minutes, they make a great appetizer. They make a good side dish to any meal. I appreciate you stopping by. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. And thanks for stopping. Have a great day.